Welcome back YouTube, my name is Mo Crypto and today we're going to be looking at COTI, right? Now this coin is one of my favorites and it has grown immensely over the past few months, but it is one of the coins that I'm going to be keeping in my portfolio as a stable coin, which will be for the long term, right? So in this video we're going to go through exactly where you should be getting in, because there is a whole lot of news and a lot of hype around COTI in the month of April. So it's very important that we get our entries right, get our stop losses put in, get our take profits put in as well. Okay, so before I start, I just want to say I appreciate all the support that I'm getting on this channel. I'm trying to put as much effort as I possibly can in these videos as well, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys could just give me a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments below let me know an altcoin or possible gem, an ICO, an IDO, whatever it is that you're looking forward to or are looking at buying. Let's all benefit together. That's the whole point of this channel. We want to grow as a community and we want to help each other out. So by the end of 2021, let's all become millionaires. Right, so let's get started. First of all, I always like to do a top-down analysis. We've got it on the 4-hourly at the minute, and you can see some major support zones that I've marked out. So we've got this here, which was back last year and the start of this year essentially, okay, and it's broken past that, and we can see the sort of run it's had upwards, okay. Now, I've established a major sort of support zone here because it seems like around this area it was heading up. It's tested that as resistance, it's broke through, went down, and then hasn't ever came back down here afterwards again, okay. So it's developed that as support now and it's went right back up. So because of that, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement from here to up here right at the top, okay, and you can see within the golden zone, right, it went right below the golden zone, and once it went right to the bottom of that golden zone, it still went down even more, okay. So COTI, we can see that it has favored this zone right here at the bottom, so the 0.786 region, okay. It is probably because it increased so rapidly, but even then it dropped quite a bit for the price that it did reach, okay. So I'm going to come back to why that's important in a minute. It's going to be important for where we're putting our stop loss on, okay. But you can see right now we're above that golden zone at the minute, and these other support regions I'm going to show you when we go into the 1-hourly, okay. So if we go into the 1-hourly now, you can see in the long run what's been happening, okay. I've got this trend line heading upwards, okay, and with this trend line what you can see is that it was testing it, resistance, 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 and then support, support, and then established it as support down here again, and that's something that I feel like will be happening again very soon. So if we zoom in a little bit to this now, what we can see is we've also got this region of sort of horizontal movement, okay. So the coin was reaching into this area before, so it reached into it with the sort of breakout, so it wasn't stable here. Reached in, went straight back down, reached in, went straight back down, went down, 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 and then within the zone again it's played around here for a bit, then broken out right at the top, and then came back down right through, broken past it, another breakout, then here it's been playing around in this region for quite a while now, okay. So I feel like this region is pretty solid, and right now the next time we come past this, we will be breaking out and it will be established as support rather than resistance, okay. So where do I see it going? Where should you take your profits? Where should you buy the coin? So I feel like right now is a pretty good time to buy the coin. I would buy it anywhere around this region, okay. So around this region anywhere is a good time to buy it. It's at 43 cents. If we can get it to hit this trend line again, that is quite likely. So 41 cents would be a perfect buying opportunity, and then from here I see it bouncing straight back up. Where do I see it taking profit? I see it taking profit at about 40% gain, 40-45% gain at 62 to 63 cents, okay. That's going to be our first take profit zone. Then from after that I do believe it will come back down. Then what I want us all to do is buy cheaper, and then once you've bought cheaper, then be in it for the long run if that's what you want to do. But a quick 40% profit isn't too bad at all, and right now I do see it having a very high likelihood. Okay, the next scenario is if it goes down, what should our take profit stop losses be? Our stop loss, I believe, should be against this 0.786 region here. Okay, this is where it came down to last time, and if it does break this trend line, then this is where I feel our stop loss should be. Okay, this is very unlikely in my opinion, but the only reason that I'm saying that we have the stop loss this large, which is minus 26%, is just because we can have some very random movements. The last thing you want is for you to put in a stop loss of 10-15%, it just to come down, hit that 15% and then bounce right back up. So that's why we've got 25% there. That's our first take profit. I do believe it will go higher, and in the next month or so I do believe that COTI will increase up to about 60-70% as well. So I am in it for the long run, and hopefully we can all make some very good gains out of it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not a financial advisor, so all of this is my opinion. Do your own research. And all I'd like to say is if you just like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. Okay, cheers, bye.